You gotta read my mind.
Y'all gonna buy her Davido ticket?
Thanks, Brenda.
That outfit on Ari?
What is Ava?
What y'all was doing today?
Creating content. Hi, child.
This
I came to see my friend. So you guys, we came out to dinner with my best friend. Well, my best friend and I came out for dinner to right here. Just look at it. And it's so cute. I think this is our third time coming here now. We tried the steak in New York.
Bruh.
And the steak was so good. So I want to see if they it's giving over here too. So.
Another one, thank you.
That's pretty. That's it. My friend gets into aesthetics. Hey guys, come with us to try this new spot. Well, it's his first time, so. Pull it out.
Look at that good champagne. It's something.
This was good. No, it's just a bag. It matches your jacket. Can see it. Moonwalk for me. Moonwalk.
You don't know. You don't know. Just slept with the man.
Can get the big one.
It's nice, right?
I think the black one.
I do black. You say you don't have no black thing.
No, I really don't. So we have this.
150.
We have this. Everyday usage. Then we have these. Which one you said? Okay, X that one.
Okay, no.
2 Coach bags, actually 3 Coach bags.
Free.
Okay, you guys, so came to AutoZone to get some parts for my car, but I don't know if I told you guys, but my car got broken into while I was at work. I don't even want to talk about it. Very ghetto moment, but outfit check. Dilly darling, dilly darling. Yeah, but I'm just a girl, so that's why you get a man, because he's the one handling all of this.
Clocking.
And I'm just walking around like a bobblehead because I don't know shit. Guys, here we are getting bubble tea. This is like my third time.
Third, probably like 6.
Well, there's cheating, but.
How?
Hey guys, that's just nature calling. But we're out here at the political.
Hey, real political.
Anyways, we're at some garden downtown in Iowa, and honestly, it's so pretty. Like, if you're a nature girl like me, come out, bro. It's worth it. Like, we're out here literally having a blast. They just had like a little musical fest. If you're jealous, well, come, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ain't got no money.
We don't gas